Hi guys, so welcome to week 5 second milestone again. Yes guys, yes. So you did it. Thank you so much all for watching my previous video and engaging on it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And this, if you have not watched the first milestone video, please do so. The link is up here, okay? Or you can check the video before this one. So that one states the how to do the first milestone. So this one is the second milestone for week 2. So in this milestone, we are asked to, it's under internet research and data entry. So we are asked to, this is the project. Your new client, Mr. Akiya, has been invited to speak at the annual major conference in California, USA. So this year, the conference is focused on the importance of communal parks in big cities. He asks you to research and compile a report on the 10 largest cities in California by population. He wants the information for each city presented in one Google sheet, right? One Google sheet document. The details he needs to appear for each city are city name, geographical size in square miles, the number of public parks in the city population as at of last year, which is 2023, a bar chart that shows the number of parks in each city versus the city areas in square miles, right? So Mr. Akiye shares with you, this is an example he wants. I actually love this kind of work. So he expects your table to look like this in your sheet, having the city, the number of parks, the area in square miles, and the population for 2023. Yes. So then you now have a graph like this, a graph showing number of city parks versus city area for this 10 largest city in California. So this is what we are expected to do, right? So the next thing you have to do is for you to open a blank Google Sheet document and rename it to your name, and then you start working on it. So example, your name, my name, then you research on the parks and cities in California. Okay, so let's click on this. So this is a new sheet. All we have to do is to come here, edit this name, edit here, write your name. Example, this is mine. Then we will look for the, what's the title we are to use. Research on parks and cities in California. Research on parks and cities in California. So we'll come here, research on parks and city in California. Then you write the dates. So let's say the example 9/24, right? Okay, so this is it. We just save it. So the next thing we have to do, okay, so we have, after I said after you have renamed it like this, okay, your name, the title of the project, and then the research, and then the date, right? So you now come down here. So we are going to create a table, right? So, and we'll give it this name, research on cities and parks in California, right? So we can do that. So the next thing I'm doing here is you type in this title, research on 10 largest cities and parks in California. Then we select it, right? You format it, make it bold. You can increase the font size. Let's use 12. Then you change the fill color. I love using this. You can choose any one for yours. Thing is for you to change the text, the text color. So you change the text color so that your work will look nice. So I'm using white, right? So after we change the text color, so we'll come to the next here and key in the details we are expected to have. If we look at our project milestone, we will have to have the city name, the geographical size in square miles, the number of parks in the city, and the population as at last year. So those are the things they're expecting us to have. So here we'll write here cities. Okay, so you come here, you write geographical size. So let's use geographical size. Then we'll put brackets in the square miles. Okay, so you pick large your cells to fit, right? Then we'll know the next thing they want from us is number of packs. Yeah, so we'll write the number of packs. The next one is the population. So the population is for last year, which is 2023. So I will write 2023, right? Okay. So this is what is expected of us. So you can actually um, format yours, make it bold, increase the font size. So once you have done that, we now go to our internet. Yeah, if you see here, the next thing we are asked to do is to do an internet research for this, right? So say you can use AI tools like Gemini or ChatGPT, right? So what you do is either you click on ChatGPT or Gemini, but I'll prefer you do research on the two. Use this one, do research on it, use this one, do research on it, then you compare and then you look for the accurate information. So like now I click on ChatGPT, it will take us to ChatGPT. So now that we have gotten this is ChatGPT, you come here to type message, then you type top 10 largest, let's say 10 largest cities in California based on population for 2023, because they are specific of the year, right? So base 10 largest cities in California based on population for 2023. So let's see what ChatGPT will give us. Okay, so ChatGPT is giving us here that Los Angeles is the first, San Diego is the second, San Jose third, San Francisco fourth, Fresno, Sacramento, Long Beach, Oakland, Bakersfield, and Ashland. So what you do is for you to copy this information, maybe come to your documents and then you save it, right? Save it and keep. Then you can ask more questions, right? The next thing is they also want to know the city areas, like geographical areas. So you can still ask ChatGPT geographical areas for these cities, for the 10 largest cities in California. It will still bring out information. You copy them out, then you still go to number of parks in this, you search it, you copy them out, then you go to Germany, you do the same thing. Let me say the sample. We'll go to, let's come here, you see here. So let's use this Gemini and search too, so that you understand. So when you come to Gemini, if you have not used it before, so it's going to prompt you to sign up or maybe use your Google to log in, and the best is to use your Google account to log in. And then once you log in, you get this interface. So this interface here, you now type here the same thing that we searched there. So let's say list of 10 largest cities in California based on population for 2023. And once we have typed this, we now go to the search option and search. Let's see what it's giving us. Okay, so this is the outcome, this is the results. It's still showing us Los Angeles as first, San Diego second, San Jose to San Francisco, Fresno, Sacramento. So it's actually the same information that is giving us, right? It's giving us the same information, the list here. So we can now decide to ask this chat, Gemini, is it Gemini or Gemini? I don't know anyone. So we'll now ask here again, the geographical area size in square miles for these cities, right? For the 10 largest cities in California. It will still bring it out. So you copy all this information, you save it in your document, right? Save it in your document. um this is what I've done to mine. Okay, this is my own. So I just did the research by myself, so by population, look at it here. So I did the research by population, look at how it is here. Then by geographical size, you know, this is still it. And then I went to to the other app. I did the same thing using the two of them. Then after that, you still go to the website, other website, to check, like the government website of that of the country, the statistics base, normal search. So for you to do normal search on Google, you can also decide to use the advanced tool option that you were taught in previous video. Or you can just search. Like what I did was I went to Google, I searched, and I saw some information on this website here, right? So I copied the information, I compared it, and I find out the one that has similar, that are like three websites having the same information, shows that okay, that's the legit one. So I copied it here, and I copied the link of the sources where I got my sources from, so that I will add them. So now that I'm done doing the research on Google. So the next thing for me to do is to go to my worksheets, Google Sheets, ready, right? So you come here, and then you type in all the details you have gathered, like the cities. You type in the cities, you type in the geographical size that you have gathered, you type in the number of parks for each of those cities, and type in the population for each of those cities. So list them out like that, right? So let me show you how mine, let me do mine and show you, because I don't want this video to be too long, right?
Please subscribe to this channel and like this video if you have not done so. So here you can see I've arranged my data, the city, I have arranged the number of parks and all of them on the table, as you can see here. So after arranging all this data, San Diego orderly, right? I copied the information I've saved already, and I typed them in here. So this is the data entry work. I typed them in here, so you can see all of them accurately labeled, right? So, and after this, the next thing I did was that I copied the information, like the sources of the information, and I brought the link down, and I added the link to it. Okay, so these are the links of it. I added the link of it. So you add ChatGPT and Gemini as one of the sources, and other links that you use under here. So this is what I did for this. And then after that, now, so let's go start creating this your table like this. Let's go and create the charts. So we'll go back to see what we are requested to do in the chart here. So yeah, we are to create a column chart. We are to create a column chart. A column chart that shows us the number of parks and the city areas. So what we'll have to do is that we'll go back, and then we'll create a chart for that table. For the table we have, we'll create a chart for the table. So here we'll click on the last cell in the rows of number of packs. Then we'll go up here to the right, or go up, hold on the shift key, and then we'll go up and select. Yes, after selecting, so we exclude the population. We exclude the population when selecting, so you don't select the population. Then you go to insert, then you click on a chart. When you click on chart, see, it's going to load. It just loaded a chart for us, and this is a column chart that we are asked to. So if we go to the dialog box here that shows, we'll see that we have, it is column chart. So if under that there, if you click there, you see different kinds of chart, right? Or column chart. That is a column chart. So we'll now go and click on 3D. So we will go to customize. When we click on customize, we go to the style, to the chart style, and then we click on 3D. So you see it just changed this our graph to look, our chart to look like a 3D chart, right? So you can decide to add color to it. You see, when you go to the next step and add color to it, you see, you can add background color. You choose any color of your choice, so it all depends on how you want to customize yours. So you choose any color of your choice as the background color. So after adding the background color, what else? I think we'll just go and change the title. Yes, I think we'll have to change the title here. So we'll have here where we'll write the title here. So this is what I'm going to do. You go back to customize. Okay, under customize, come down, you will see the style, then you click on it. Once you click on it, then you now change, type whatever you want. So we'll just edit this title and type what we want it to appear here. When you are typing it, observe it, you see that it's changing here. So we just typed and added a good title to it, like cities versus areas of the 10 largest cities in California, you know. So this is exactly what we just did, right? So we have done the graph, and this is it for the graph. So after doing the graph, so that title, you can change the color of the title. Yes, you can add color to the title. And for you to add color to the title, it's just for you to click on this text color. And when you click on text color, it's going to change, add color to it, text color. Then you add any color you want. You see, like I just added blue. So you choose any color that you know will look nice for your work. So the next thing is for us to align the title to center alignment. You see, you click here and align it to center alignment. So once you align it to center alignment, your work looks neat. So now arrange your graph well. You see, I just placed my own well, and then these resources. Under the resources, copy the link you want, each of them on their different rows. Okay, and then you type, add the Gemini and the Chat GPT to your own, then save. Once you have done this, you click, once you are done doing this, you just go to the share option, and then make sure that it is for everybody to view, and then you click copy the link, click copy the link, and then this is the link you are going to submit as your second milestone. Now let's go to the third milestone before we round off this video. So the whole milestone is about the skill tracker. There was a skill tracker we did in our second week. So you go back to that skill tracker. You can remember this skill tracker. Go to your drive. Go and check where you save that skill tracker. Then you open it in your drive. Now go back and review this skill tracker, because they believe by now you have learned a lot of skills. So you update it. So if some of the skills you did not do well before, maybe now you do well, you go click on it. If it was 4 you scored before, maybe now you have upgraded to 5, you add 5. If you have upgraded to 2, you add 2. Upgraded to 3, you add 3. But before you do this, you have to screenshot it before you start. Before you start updating it, screenshot how it was in week 2 and keep. Then you start filling it one after the other. And once you have been able to fill it the way I'm doing, so you click on it. See, if you now score 4, you put 4. So you now update it. After updating it, you now save it back, copy the link, and you submit that link as your milestone 3. Please like and subscribe this video. Please like this video, subscribe to this video, this channel, so that you get more details on this our VA journey and updates of any other milestones or tasks that we have to do. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. If you've seen this video, as if this video has impacted anything in you, I've helped you in any way, please just subscribe to our channel, like this video, and you can actually say well done in the comment section. It will encourage me and to do more. Thank you so much, and see you in our next video. Bye.